Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see a Blinkit haul. Basically, the basic grocery ghar ka saman that I order from Blinkit. If you live in Mumbai, I'm sure you already know how quick commerce has spoiled us for life because everything reaches your home in just 10 minutes. So I order things for the say next few days, next 2-3 days because once I run out, I'll order a fresh batch. For somebody like me who doesn't like to step out of the house, quick commerce is thank you, quick commerce, because I don't remember the last time I went to a shop or I went to a store or I went to a sabzi wala to buy things, buy groceries for house. I think even shopping for that matter, because I don't remember the last time I went shopping. I order everything online. Now without any further delay, let's jump into the haul. First I have muesli. 99% of the times my breakfast is avocado toast, eggs, dragon fruit and chai, like I've shared in my last to last video I think. But that remaining time when I don't feel like I want to even go through the mehnat of making eggs or toast the bread and cut avocado for that matter, I just like to have this with some milk and some bananas. So this is my emergency breakfast. Next we have some sourdough bread, breakfast essential, can't do without it. Then we have some eggs. If you like eggs, take it from me, one solid advice. I've tried all sorts of eggs, all the fancy farms and organic and brown and whatever eggs I've tried, but when you break them, there is always some spots, some brown spots, some spots of I don't know what, and I don't feel like eating eggs if I see that. Licious, shout out, is the only brand that has the best eggs possible. The eggs are clean, they are good, they don't come spoiled or rotten. When you break them, it's entirely clean. If you want to buy eggs, Licious, this is where your good eggs are at. Now some dark chocolate, for the cravings when you want something sweet. So I get the 70% dark chocolate from Bonville. I know this is not the best, kind of dark chocolate, but I don't also like very dark chocolate. You know what I mean? I don't like those authentic dark chocolates. I need it to also taste like chocolate, right? So this is what we get. Then some, what do you call this? It's a glass and household cleaner. What is this brand? It's called Genda. What have I called for? Shinex, Genda, I don't know. Then we have the cleaning sponge, very important for my kitchen. I was running out of it, so. Then we have some spaghetti, no maida spaghetti from Olive Kitchen. I love spaghetti. I actually love anything that is in the noodle form. Doesn't matter whether it's
healthy noodle, maida noodle, healthy spaghetti, maida spaghetti, zucchini spaghetti or loki spaghetti.
It just has to be in a noodle wala form. You know what I mean? It just has to be the texture and the shape. That's all that matters. I love spaghetti. So maybe I'm going to make this for dinner. Then we have some dahi. I want to start making dahi at home, but alas ka kya karu. We have some paneer, very good paneer from ID. We have some vanilla essence. I need this for my banana bread. I'm going to make one today. I have some overripe bananas. That's why we have this. Then we have a watermelon. This is a summer fruit that I have every single day. Like literally every single day, this is my fruit. I love it. Love it. First batch out. It's so hot. Then we have some garlic. I love garlic. I love garlic. I just put this on everything. I love it. Then we have some bananas and some tomatoes, tomato. Love. Then we have some avocados. Blinkit also has great avocados, by the way, if you want to order. Both Blinkit and Zepto, to be honest, but Blinkit more. Then we have a packet of mushroom. Then we have one of my most favorite veggies, Karela. Let me know how many of you also like Karela. I know it's a very underrated, very polarized vegetable. A lot of people either love it or hate it, but I love Karela. I love सूखी करेले की सब्जी with my dal chawal. So let me know. Then I have my most favorite vegetable. Bhindi for life. I love bhindi. My husband loves bhindi. Then we have some basil for my spaghetti that I'm going to make tonight. Then we have some kanda, pyaz, onion. Then why have they given mangoes like this? This is so weird. We have some dasheri mango. Mango season, love mango. And lastly, we have some toilet roll. Again, a very important essential of my household. So yeah, this is my Blinkit haul. I hope you guys like this video. I don't know what is the point of this video, but I like to watch, other people's grocery runs, their grocery hauls, because it just is an interesting insight into their lives. Like, what kind of people they are, what are their preferences, what do they like. So I'm sure you get to know a lot about a person by looking at their grocery haul. So I find these videos very interesting. That's why I thought I'll do one. So these are the basics. These are the everyday essentials of my house. This will run for the next 2-3 days, and then I'll order things again. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what do you think, if you like Karela, in the comments, and like, share and subscribe.